Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. Today we're going to be turning this poplar log into siding for our chicken coop. So stay tuned and let's see what we get into. So right behind me is our chicken coop. So let's take a look and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the siding in these logs. So you can see that this side is unfinished. We've got the corners on. We've got a couple boards on the front. And then here's the shiplap siding that we're going to be building today. So we're going to be cutting these boards with the chainsaw mill so we can have siding, shiplap siding on our chicken coop. So first thing we have to do is set up our chainsaw mill. So before we go ahead and set our ladder up on this log to start milling our siding for our chicken coop, I've come along and I've seen this. Someone has attached an electric fence stake to the side of this log with a metal spike. So if you happen to not notice that, you hit it with your chainsaw. Not only are you going to do damage to your chainsaw, but you can potentially harm yourself with flying debris. So this is paramount that we have to get rid of this and get this out of the log, and then we're going to have to check the rest of the log to make sure there's no other fence stakes in this log. So if you're unsure of where you get your logs from, then make sure you go ahead and check. Last thing you want is one of those hidden pieces coming flying at you. So you can see behind me I've got the ladder all set up on the log. It's all leveled, ready to go. So if you're not sure how to do that yourself, go back and watch my milling logs into lumber video and you'll see that firsthand, how to put your ladder on and ready for the first cut. So I'm going to go ahead, make the first cut, pare the top off the log, and get ready to start slabbing siding for the chicken coop. So now that we've taken the top round off our log, we're going to set our sawmill for 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to start slabbing boards at 3/4 of an inch until we run out of log. Then we're going to take those boards and we're going to run them through the planer, smooth off one face down to about 5/8. So you'll see that shortly. So right now I'm just going to go at it. I'm going to start slabbing this log to 3/4 inch planks until I'm run out of log. So here's our stack of planks that we've milled off our poplar log that we're going to be turning into siding. As you can see, they're rather short, but we only have about a 4.5 foot span that we need to cover. So these pieces are going to be absolutely perfect. Next step, we're going to have to peel the bark off the edge. We do that with our draw knife. If you want to know how to do that, check out one of my other videos. You'll see using a draw knife. And then now that we've got those ready to go, next thing we're going to do is we're going to run them through our planer. So we got a beautiful sunny day out today, so we're going to go ahead and finish our siding. As you can see, we've put up a bunch of boards. We have them shiplapped. They're all nailed into place. We're going to be painting them soon. So I'm going to go ahead. We'll do a quick video on slapping up a couple of boards. So there you have it, folks. Simple, easy way to make your own siding for any little outbuilding that you have. As you can see, here's what the siding is behind me on our chicken coop. I will be doing a walkthrough video on what's inside the chicken coop, how we made it, all the features that are inside it, and why we've done what we've done. So stay tuned for that video coming up. So hopefully now that you've seen this done, you can side any building you need to. So remember, it's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.